The Chevrolet Blazer returned to the market back in 2019. While not the serious off-roader we were hoping for, its attractive styling, sporty handling, and stellar safety tech continue to impress. Since it went on sale, there haven't been any major changes. For the 2022 model year, however, Chevrolet has removed the base L trim from the lineup, meaning its naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-four is no longer available. Rated at 193 horsepower and 188 pounds-foot, this unit was underpowered, so we doubt it was very popular. As a result, the 2LT is now the base trim and comes packing a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four generating 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-foot of torque. As before, this unit sends power to the front wheels through a 9-speed automatic as standard, but AUT is optionally available for all trims. The 3LT and Premier trims are also available with a more powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 308 horsepower and 270 pounds-foot of torque. Topping the range is the RS trim, which packs the V6 engine as standard and is available with a new stylish two-tone paint option with a black roof. This two-tone option is also available as an appearance package for the LT. For the Premier trim, Chevrolet has refreshed the exterior with new wheels and dark trim elements for the front and rear lower fascias, rockers, and wheel moldings. Two exterior paint options are also available across the lineup: Nitro Yellow Metallic and Blue Glow Metallic. Sadly, Chevrolet hasn't released any preview images of these new eye-catching colors yet. As standard, all-wheel drive models with the 2.0-liter turbo now come with a trailering package, which is optionally available for front-wheel drive models. Pricing details remain under wraps, but the removal of the base L trim means the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer will almost certainly get a price hike. The 2022 Chevrolet Equinox also had a similar trim restructure, resulting in a price increase. Expect the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer to start at around $33,400, which is around $5,000 more expensive than the entry-level 2021 liters trim.